Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's apply limit theorems for a polynomial function. So after illustrating the limit theorems, let's try to apply them into this given polynomial function. Of course, you're able to illustrate samples like this on a specific video, but let's try to do it separately here as a sample exercise. So we are given here with the limit of a polynomial function 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 as x approaches 3. I'm going to show here two different steps. The first step is without using the limit theorem for polynomial function, which allows us to, of course, do this. The limit of 3x squared as x approaches 3 minus the limit of 4x as x approaches 3 plus the limit of 5 as x approaches 3. Then we apply here the law or the limit theorem for power and product. We have the limit of the constant 3 as x approaches 3 times the limit of x as x approaches 3, and since we have the power, you have 2 like that. Okay, this is the application of the power and the product, minus the limit of 4 as x approaches 3 times the limit of x as x approaches 3 plus the limit of 5 as x approaches 3. So you have here the limit of the constant is the constant itself. The limit of the identity is this number, but take note it has a power of 2 here. Minus the limit of the constant is the constant itself. So you have 4 times the limit of the identity is this value, and the limit of constant 5 is just 5. So we have here 3 times 9 minus 12 plus 5, which gives us 27 minus 12 plus 5. The result for the limit of this polynomial function, 27 minus 12 is 15 plus 5, you have 20. Okay, so this is the value of the limit using the other or the previous limit theorems. But also, of course, we already have the limit for a polynomial function, and we could just simply use direct substitution. So let me have here all terms, and then just direct substitution. You have 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. This is just the same as this here. So of course you will have the same result, but let's finish this. 3 times 9 minus 12 plus 5. You will have here 27 minus 12 plus 5. You have the result, which is again 20. So we have the same result as this and that. This is even longer, this is shorter, but either way, this is how we solve or apply the limit theorems for this polynomial function. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now